Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Alright guys, we've got a Donkey Stomper 10 pill, 1100 high drive is what I got listed as. It's an older build, 10 pill. Probably one of my early 10 pill base boxes. And what I did is I ended up, this thing had 3 bad megawatts in it. Well, they went out. And it was on 110, and honestly, I don't even offer a 10 pill on anything but 220 anymore. We had 3 bad megawatts. There they are, just so you can see. That's the bad ones out of it. So I had 2 good ones in it, so what I did is I kept the 2 good ones, added 2 HP 120 amp power supplies to it, put it on 220, and it rocks. It's good to go. So now it's actually got 240 plus 80, somewhere around 300 amperes power supply in it now, so that's pretty hot. We're gonna turn him on. We'll look at our straight through SWR like we do, worldwide, 0. Key him up, radio drive, input SWR. Hello, radio drive, and it's running 14.9 volts, by the way. Radio drive, 985 and some change, get on down. On our 2 pill, we'll put about 290 into it, swing. Hello, worldwide, let it come down, worldwide, 2650 with some really good numbers. I'm really happy with this thing. This ought to be a good box for you, bud. Look at our bird. See if we can slam it. Hello, worldwide. This is a hot one, worldwide. This is a hot one. So it turned out really good and really hot. Worldwide. I've actually had 12 pills that don't do that much. Just a hot one just turned out that way. Sometimes that happens. Got a whole lot of power supply too. That makes a difference. All that extra power supply makes it go. Get on down. Now we're going to get our outdoor dummy load. Look at our radio drive on the colossal outdoor dummy load. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. Now there's some change, worldwide. 972. Turn on our driver on the outdoor dummy load. Hello, worldwide. Ooh, let's do more. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a hot one. Chew. She's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's a keeper. I would take care of this thing. Transistors are in really good shape. It's a really good amp. Should do a good job. Should be a hot station for you. So I had 12 pills that don't do that much, but sometimes just look at the draw. There she is, bud. She's all up and ready to go for you. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend 10, 0 and A Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.